What's going on, guys? CardMechanic here, and today we're going to be reviewing deck of cards. Let's do it. So before even getting into the deck review, I gotta say this is actually the first deck review that I'm doing. So if you guys like it, let me know. If you don't like it, let me know that as well. And don't not let me know. So now the reason I'm actually reviewing this deck is because I got an email from Illusionist a couple weeks back saying, is this the most hated deck of all time? The most misunderstood deck in the world? The most controversial deck in history, probably. So I wanted to, look at it myself and judge that. So let's open this bad boy up. Okay, now this part's actually pretty cool. I saw this in the video. You actually have to tear this box open. So I think it was advertised like you must destroy the box or destroy the cards to open them or something. So check this out. There's actually a tab here that you pull, and it actually goes across and opens up that way. And I think that is pretty cool. I'm not gonna lie, that is pretty cool. All right, so let's check it out. So I'm assuming they probably open this way then. All right, definitely not easy to open. I feel like I'm gonna break the box, and I really don't want to because it's a pretty nice box. It's a bit thicker than regular boxes. Oh, there we go. Bam, look at that. Look how it opens up. Bam. And then we have our deck of cards. Now before I even open up the deck, just want to talk about the box real quick. It's actually a really nice box. Just feel like opening it is a little hard, but actually it seems fine now. Now that I'm a pro, it seems pretty okay. And I'm stuck. So the box is quite nice. Again, made from Illusionist. And these are Cardamundi cards, so they have, they believe they should have a linen finish. So yeah, let's open them up again. Okay, so we have this one card. It has some words on it. Hopefully you can see that. I don't know how well you can see it. But it says, an image must hold a physical form to exist, but an icon bears no such rigid constraints. An icon instead transcends its base context, becoming a deeper cultural touchstone, an intrinsic element of a population's collective memory. Icons live in the mind's eye as a fully formed idea, conjured into existence by simply mentioning its name, the Hollywood sign. Einstein sticking out his tongue, the tank man of Tiananmen Square, a two of clubs, a deck of cards. Global icons like these aren't fabricated. They merely exist. So yeah, you got that card on there. Oh, we also have this card right here. It's just so the back of these cards are all, are all black like this. Pretty nice. They have deck of cards written on both sides. So first card we come across right here is a red version of the same card. Bam. It'd be nice for, doing like a color change on the deck or something. So it comes with that. It also comes with 2 blank cards, which is actually pretty rare. I don't think I've ever bought many decks that come with 2 blank cards. Usually it's like a double backer or like a gimmick card, but it comes with 2 blank cards. Pretty nice. All right, and we have the cards themselves. Oh man, they feel really nice. I wish you guys could feel them right now. But they have a really, really nice linen. See what I did there? They have a really nice linen texture. But yeah, they're really nice. They feel a bit more thin than regular bicycle playing cards. So they are a bit thinner, but they feel really nice. And of course, I didn't show you the faces yet. Are you ready for this? Are you ready for the faces? Here we go. Bam. That is the Ace of Spades. And that is the 2 of Spades. And 3 of Spades. And 4 of Spades. And just literally going across, you can see all the black cards are actually just written in black in that corner right there. And then all the red cards, you'll see in a second, are actually all just written in red right there in the corner. Hopefully the camera could zoom in on this. I actually have no idea if you guys could see this, but hopefully you guys could see that they're written in red. So honestly, this is like the most simplest design. The front of the entire card is left blank, and it just has the words, you know, the name of the card, Ace of Spades here and Ace of Spades here. That is literally the entire deck. Like that's what it is. So I can definitely see where the controversy is coming from, because this is the most simplistic, minimalist design. But honestly, I really like simple designs on cards. So I gotta say, I kind of like these cards. Maybe if I was a lot older and I was not able to see these clearly, I definitely would hate them. But I gotta say, these are really nice cards. The handling is really nice on them. I can fan fairly well with these cards. The dribbling feels pretty great. Of course, like I said, the actual faces of the cards, I think that's probably where the biggest controversy is, because people are like, you know, paying this much money for a deck of cards, you barely used any ink on them. But again, I'll probably have a better review of these cards once I actually start using them. But as of right now, I really like them. I really like how they feel. They faro fairly well. Yeah, they faro fairly well. So this is a really nice deck of cards. They have, or at least the cards I got, they have kind of like an inward bend versus like an outward bend. I really like these cards. Very nice. Now if you try doing some cool cardistry with these cards, they are a bit slippery, I have to say, but generally most cards are. But I really like them. They're really nice, a bit thinner than usual, like I said. But I think these are, you know, pretty nice deck of cards. I gotta stop with these puns. But yeah, I really like these cards. There's quite a lot you could do with them. They feel really nice in your hand. And overall, definitely a deck that I would love to have as part of my collection. So let me know in the comments below if you like this deck review, if you'd like to see more deck reviews, and of what cards you'd like me to review. This one I just picked out of nowhere because I had an email for it. They seemed controversial, and I like controversy. So here we are. But definitely let me know in the comments below what more I can add, what I can take out, and things of that nature. But yeah, that's all I got for you guys today. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Make sure to go check out my Patreon page to help support my channel, because your support really means a lot to me. So link to that is in the description, along with all my social media stuff. So all that being said, I will see you in the next video.